Are you making a nutritional content claim on your product packaging? Yes, no, not sure? What is a nutrient content claim? Nutrient content claims describe the level of a nutrient in the product using terms such as free, high, and low, or they compare the level of the nutrients in food to that of another food using terms such as more, reduced, and light. Not making a nutritional claim? Then nutritional information is not required, but is rather a voluntary process, still needed due to customer expectations. How should voluntary nutritional values be done? Analysis by a repeatable laboratory. That's us. What we can do for you. Basic nutritional values, such as proteins, fats, moisture, carbs, and energy by calculation. Are you making a nutritional claim? Then nutritional information is mandatory. This means any claim must be verified scientifically by law. The product must be analyzed using an accredited method for glycemic carbohydrates and the specific nutrients being claimed. We can help you through our laboratory network partners. We will handle all the admin and paperwork, provide you with a detailed report, and explain the results to you. Get in touch with us to find out more.